Most people get this wrong. They assume Kikoff and self-lender work the same way. But the biggest mistake you need to avoid is choosing one without understanding how fast it actually builds credit and what type of credit history it creates. In this video, we are comparing Kikoff versus self-lender in 2026 and answering one key question. Which one builds credit faster? Let's start with the basics. Both Kikoff and self-lender are credit-building tools designed to help people with little or no credit history. But they work in very different ways, and that affects your results. Now here's where it gets interesting. Kikoff is a simple revolving credit account. Self-lender, now commonly known as self-credit builder, uses an installment loan structure where you make monthly payments into a secured account. So let's break this down step by step. First, how Kikoff builds credit. Kikoff gives you a small credit line that reports activity to credit bureaus. You usually make small monthly payments or subscription-style payments depending on your plan. For someone like Alex who has no credit history, Kikoff can start reporting within a short time, sometimes within the first month. But here's the problem most people don't realize. Kikoff builds credit activity, but the credit limit is usually small, which means its impact can be limited over time. Now let's talk about self-lender. Self works differently. You open a credit builder loan, make monthly payments, and those payments get reported as installment credit. In a minute, I'll explain why installment credit can sometimes have a stronger long-term impact on your score. For someone like Jake who is rebuilding credit, Self helps build structured payment history, which is one of the most important factors in credit scoring. Now let's compare speed. Kikoff can start reporting faster because setup is simple and there is no loan structure involved. Self takes a bit longer to show full impact because it follows a loan cycle and requires consistent monthly payments. But here's the key difference. Speed is not the same as strength. Kikoff may show earlier activity, but self-lender often builds stronger credit depth because installment accounts carry more weight in many credit scoring models. Now let's talk real results. If your goal is quick credit activity with minimal effort, Kikoff can feel faster. But if your goal is building stronger credit history that supports long-term growth, self-lender often provides better structure. So which one builds credit faster in 2026? Kikoff usually shows credit activity faster. Self-lender builds stronger credit history over time. So the answer depends on what you mean by faster. Quick reporting or stronger long-term impact. Let's keep it simple. Kikoff is faster for starting credit activity. Self-lender is stronger for building structured credit history. Let's summarize everything clearly. Kikoff gives you quick, simple revolving credit reporting. Self-lender builds installment loan history with monthly payments over time. Both help your credit, but they serve different purposes. If this helped you understand Kikoff versus self-lender in 2026, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit breakdowns like this.